एवरीवन, आज हम करेंगे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी टॉप करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ ईयर 2025। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरे ये वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो आप इसको लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें अपने चैनल्स, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। तो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज विच मेट्रो हैज़ अनवील्ड इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट इंडिजिनियसली built driverless metro train? The correct answer is Bengaluru Metro Rail. Nisar satellite is joint developed by which space organizations? The correct answer is ISRO and NASA. Which country has launched the world's first self-driving satellites? The correct answer is China. Which institute has recently developed bacteria to combat soil pollution and boost agriculture? The correct answer is IIT Bombay. Asia's largest Cherenkov telescope was inaugurated recently in which region of India? The correct answer is Ladakh. The Defense Research and Development Organization inaugurated the Quantum Technology Research Center in which city? The correct answer is New Delhi. In which city was India's first Semiconductor Innovation Museum inaugurated on October 2025? The correct answer is Hyderabad. Which Indian mission has taken the first picture of solar flare kernel? The correct answer is Aditya L1. Which country has recently overtaken others to become the second largest 5G market in the world? The correct answer is India. Where will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? The correct answer is Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which organization has launched a quantum computing chip called Willow? The correct answer is Google. Which country has become the fourth country to achieve unmanned docking in space in the year 2025? The correct answer is India. Who has launched India's first state-of-the-art AI-enabled gold melting ATM? The correct answer is Gold Seeker. Which cities in Uttar Pradesh start to become India's first AI-powered smart city? The correct answer is Lucknow. Which organization has unveiled the 7th generation artificial intelligence chip? The correct answer is Google. Which electronics company has created the world's first transparent smart television? The correct answer is LG. Which country has India announced plans to build its first indigenous polar research vessel? The correct answer is Norway. In which institution will Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the Dharti Bionest Incubation Center? The correct answer is IIT Dhanbad. Which organization has launched AI video generation model named Sora? The correct answer is OpenAI. Which company recently launched a private astronaut crew on a historic polar orbiting mission? The correct answer is SpaceX. Which state has launched India's first AI-powered red time forest alert in May 2025? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. What kind of pathogen is Helicobacter pylori was recently seen in news? The correct answer is bacterial. Which Indian space technology startup is set to launch the world's first multi-sensor Earth observation satellite mission Drishti in Q1 2025? The correct answer is Galaxy I. Which will be the first assembly in India to be fully run by solar energy in May 2025? The correct answer is Delhi Assembly. In which state will India's first largest petrochemical plant be constructed? The correct answer is Odisha. What name did Google officially launch its new AI model? The correct answer is Gemini. Which crop is mainly affected by the black-headed caterpillar Opicina aeronocila? The correct answer is coconut. What is the name of the India's first AI-powered tribal language translator launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? The correct answer is Adivani. Which country appointed Dilla the world's first AI cabinet minister? The correct answer is Albania. Scientists of which IIT discovered a host protein capable of killing germs before they harm the human body? The correct answer is IIT Bombay. Which has become the first state to make robotics education compulsory for all class 10 students in May 2025? The correct answer is Kerala. Where has Minister Ashwin Vaishnav inaugurated India's first 3 nanometer chip design center? The correct answer is both the above, Bengaluru and Noida. What name has Google launched an AI-based 3D video communication platform in May 2025? The correct answer is Google Beam. South Africa and which country has jointly established the world's longest quantum satellite link? The correct answer is China. In which Indian city Google has launched its largest campus, Ananta? The correct answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which country has launched the world's first thorium molten salt nuclear reactor in April 2025? The correct answer is China. Which expressway has become the first in India to be equipped with AI-powered advanced traffic management system? The correct answer is Dwarka Expressway. Which country has launched the world's first 10G broadband network in April 2025? The correct answer is China. Which multinational company became the first to export electric vehicle from India? The correct answer is Citroën. Which organization has conducted the CROPS experiment to study plant growth in space? The correct answer is ISRO. Which state government approved the use cloud system seedling technology to reduce air pollution? The correct answer is Delhi. Which American company set up as $2.75 billion semiconductor assembly and testing plant in Gujarat? The correct answer is Micron Technology. Which Finland-based company launched the world's first 100% hydrogen-ready engine power plant? The correct answer is Wärtsilä. Which country's scientists discovered plastic-eating fungi in 2024? The correct answer is Germany. In which state has India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility been started? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. What is the name of India's first indigenous micro-missile system designed to counter swarm drones? The correct answer is Bhargavastra. Which IIT has developed a bacteria to tackle soil pollution and boost agriculture? The correct answer is IIT Bombay. Who has launched the world's first commercial space surveillance satellite, Scott? The correct answer is Digentera. Where has India launched the first indigenous HPV test kit for screening the cervical cancer? The correct answer is New Delhi. Which country has unveiled the world's largest 10-ton propellant auxiliary for rocket motors? The correct answer is India. Which country has sent the 6th nuclear reactor for the Kundankulam plant in Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Russia. Which IIT has launched the India's first Hyperloop test track in collaboration with Indian Railways? The correct answer is IIT Madras. DRDO has launched a new uniform for soldiers deployed in extreme cold. What is the name of this uniform? The correct answer is Himkavach. DRDO has launched a new uniform for soldiers. Repeat हो गया बेटा. Deployed in extreme and answer is Himkavach. Which satellite has launched to launch its own satellite in March 2025? The correct answer is Assam. Which Bengaluru-based startup has launched the prototype of India's first air taxi Shunya? The correct answer is Sarla Aviation. Which mission will NASA launch to find out what happened just after the Big Bang? The correct answer is SPHERICS telescope. Where has the third AI Action Summit in 2025 co-chaired by PM Narendra Modi ji started? The correct answer is Paris, France. Which institute has achieved success for the first time in gene therapy treatment of hemophilia in India? The correct answer is BRICS STEM. Which space organization will launch LEXA mission to study Earth magnetic cover from the moon? The correct answer is NASA. And today's last question is, which group has launched India's first hydrogen powered truck for mining in Chhattisgarh? The correct answer is Adani Group. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.